Sawadee ka tukon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Rainy morning everyone. Thank you ka, Taiki. Teacher Sawadee ka. Good morning! Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta, love ko to. Good morning, Teacher Maria. I love you much. Ang ganda eh. Super ganda. At makeup time. Good morning, Teacher Jen. Rainy morning. Good morning, Teacher Tay. Ohayo gozaimasu. Rainy morning. Good morning, Teacher Namtan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Excuse me, Teacher Toy. What's the activity today? What's program? I? Free, teacher? Free? For students and teachers also? How about us, teacher, if we will go? It's free? We will register over there. Online? We will register online or over there? Huh? Okay, teacher. But teacher, we will go to assembly or no? We will go today to assembly? No, right? In group line. Okay, teacher. Hok samho. Domo arigato. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And I'm done with my makeup. What's that? Is that a candy?
Yeah.
Oh, for what? For you? You will eat that one?
Yeah.
Oh, then what happened? There's a lot of ants, right?
Yes.
I see. Maybe it's sweet candy, right?
I just
Bought it
bought it
yesterday.
yesterday, yes.
I know.
30 baht.
So sad. The ants already eat it.
Same like Odette when you put candies.
Yeah, when I put candies here, the ants eat. Gara. You're welcome. Good morning, Teacher Corn. Good morning, Teacher Fern. Good morning, Teacher Ohayo. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please pass all your assignments. Give it to me, Songan. Okay, very good. Sit down next. You mean only child, right? You're the only one. Okay, very good. Sit down. How to read this one? E.g. E.g. means for example. How to read this one? ATC. Very good. Etc. Why do you like badminton? Because it's fun. What else? You like it? Good for health? Okay, very good. Sit down. Why football? Okay, very good. Sit down. Give me a song that you like. Why art? You like drawing? What else? Chemistry. Math test Olympic. Okay, very good. What do you want to learn more about this year? How will you get a good grade? Okay, very good. Sit down. How will you improve yourself in math? Tutor. What else? Friends. Do tests. Okay, very good. Sit down. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Songan, give me your assignments. Pass all your assignments. Songan. May mingalaw. If you're going to read EG, EG means in English is for example. This one, ATC, means etc. What are your favorite hobbies or activities? Play football. Why do you like to play football? Why are you always smiling? Kaya wala yun po sa time. Kamay kunyim. Talot wala. There's no funny. Kaya wala yun po sa time. May mitalo. May talo. What are your favorite hobbies or activities? Tennis. Why do you like tennis? What are your favorite hobbies and activities? Playing game. What game? Why badminton? Playing football. Why? What do you want to learn more about this year? Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Songan, give me your assignments. Pass your assignments. What do you want to learn more about this year? Why do you want to learn art? Enjoy and fun, happy, relax. Sport? What kind of sport? Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Thank you, teacher. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Please pass all your assignments. What is something interesting about you that not many people know? What's your dream vacation destination? What's your favorite quote or motto? What are your goals for the school year? What is something you want to achieve in the future? Why? Why do you want to become a dentist? What's one thing you've always wanted to learn or try? What's one interesting or fun fact about you? What are your favorite subjects in school? Why English? Okay, very good. Sit down. You write love. Sit down. Snow. What's your dream vacation destination? If you could have dinner with any famous person, who would it be and why? Goodbye and thank you, class. Thank you, teacher. Okay, see you next week. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. Thank you. You're welcome. Please pass all your assignments. Give me your assignments. Songan. May mingalaw? How many siblings do you have? Middle child. This one, if you are going to read EG, EG means for example. For example. Etc. Etc. This one, for example. For example. Etc. Etc. Parents, kaya wala yung pasatay. How about siblings? Siblings. Pets. Ha? Saliyak. Ha? This one, all together read. student. Basketball? Why do you like basketball? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Pass your assignments, please. Songman. May mingan now. How old is he? For example. Parents. How to read this one? ATC, etc. What are your favorite hobbies or activities? Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow. Kapbandi di na ka. Goodbye, teacher Namtan. Kapbandi di na ka. Goodbye, teacher Namtan. Goodbye, teacher Tay. Sayonara. Matashita, sensei. Matashita. See you next year. Bye, Kapban Telepeleo. Goodbye, Teacher Ming.
Bye.
Goodbye, Teacher Maria. Goodbye, Teacher Jen.